It's too deep.
He'll never make it.
No, never. The rain. Uh-oh. No! The rain will fill the hole, and then they can swim out. Stop jumping! We have a plan!
Stop! We're going to wait for the rain to fill the hole. Why aren't you listening to them?
You'll never make it! It's too high! You can't do it! It's too deep!
Listen to him! Save your strength!
Don't even try. Just stay down.
Thank you for encouraging me.
Encouraging him? He's deaf.
Oh.
Come on! You can make it! Yeah!